What is the scope of counseling psychology in India? Today we are talking about this honestly and in detail. Not the dreamy social media version and not the you will earn lakhs immediately after degree version. No, but the honest and practical reality. If you are thinking of doing BA, MA or already studying psychology, then this video is for you. By the way, if you want a complete roadmap to become a counseling psychologist, you may watch that particular video under this same playlist on this channel. Now, let's start with something very important. First, the demand. In India, mental health awareness is slowly increasing. Earlier, people would hide their problems. Now they are talking about anxiety, relationships, stress, parenting problems, career confusion, etc. Schools are hiring counselors, colleges are hiring counselors, NGOs are hiring counselors. Private clinics are growing, online therapy platforms are increasing. So, yes, demand is rising, but then comes the truth on the other side. Rising demand does not mean instant success. In counseling psychology, your growth depends on three things: your skills, your practical training, and your ability to build trust. This is not a degree only field, this is a skill based field. Now, let's talk about where you can actually work. After MA in counseling psychology or MSc in counseling psychology, you can work in schools as a school counselor, hospitals under supervision, NGOs working with women, children, addiction, and some other cases, rehabilitation centers, therapy clinics, corporate wellness programs, or you can start your own private practice after proper supervision and experience. But in the beginning, salary may not be very high. Entry level salaries can feel just average type. Sometimes 15,000 to 25,000 per month in smaller cities. In metro cities, it may be slightly better. But with experience, supervision, workshops, certifications, and reputation, income grows. Many counseling psychologists also earn through multiple sources, such as workshops, corporate training, online sessions, content creation, courses generation, school programs, and so on. So the scope is not limited, but it requires patience. Now let's address something very important. Counseling psychology is not clinical psychology. You cannot diagnose severe mental disorders unless you are trained and licensed as a clinical psychologist. Counseling psychologists mainly work with stress, relationship issues, self esteem, adjustment issues, career confusion, emotional regulation, and more. So, before choosing counseling psychology, ask yourself, do I genuinely enjoy listening to people? Can I sit with someone's pain without getting emotionally exhausted? Am I ready for continuous supervision and learning? And can I be patient with slow growth? Because this career is emotionally meaningful but emotionally demanding too. Honestly speaking, scope is not just about job availability. Scope is about how much you are willing to grow. In India, counseling psychology is growing, but the competition is also growing. Many students are entering this field without proper clarity, leading to confusion later. But if you build strong skills, take internships seriously, work under supervision, and continuously upgrade yourself, then there is definitely scope. But if you think just degree should equal money right after your degree completion, then you may feel disappointed. So choose this field for purpose first. Income will follow with experience. And if you have any further doubts, then comment and tell me what is your biggest confusion. I will reply there itself. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.